Rhomboid pain. That stubborn ache between your shoulder blades that shows up after hours of sitting, scrolling, or even sleeping wrong. It feels small, but it can shut down your entire day. Doctors say most people ignore it or just rub the spot, but that's not enough. So today, we're fixing it fast, with a method used in rehab clinics to loosen that deep, stuck muscle and bring back mobility in minutes. No equipment, just technique. First, imagine someone pinching the muscles between your spine and shoulder blade. That's your rhomboid crying for oxygen and blood flow. To release it, start by opening your chest, roll your shoulders back, and take a deep breath. Now the secret move. Wrap your arms in front of your chest like you're hugging yourself, elbows high. Slowly round your upper back and pull your shoulder blades apart, like you're trying to spread your ribs open. Hold 10 seconds. Feel that? That's the release starting. Next, gently glide your shoulders up, back, and down. Slow circles, 10 times. This resets posture and lets the muscle relax instead of fight. Do this twice today. Within minutes, stiffness melts, breathing feels easier, and your back finally feels free.